Hello everyone. Yes, I'm definitely decided on living my longest, most vibrant life. What we are teaching in the Izat of Secrets face rejuvenation massage courses is truly revolutionary. This isn't just about looking a little better on the outside, it's about unlocking your body's profound ability to heal and restore itself from within. This is about rewinding your face to its younger self. We are talking about resculpting and restoring your skull structure, improving deep circulation, and gently re-educating those facial muscles back to their optimal, youthful state. Think of it as hitting the reset button on years of tension and gravitational pull. And the benefits go way beyond just your face. When you restore this fundamental facial and cranial structure, you're looking at restoring your deep restorative sleep. You are talking about improving your heart functions and even boosting your metabolism. This happens because we are actually restoring the basic healthy pathways of your cranial nerves, especially the vagus nerve, the incredible nerve responsible for almost 90% of your rest and digest system, your body's ultimate rejuvenator. Studies with infrared cameras like those published in the Journal of Thermal Biology and Brain and Behavior Journal have shown that older people have significantly higher core head temperature, which can contribute to memory loss, concentration problems, and sleeplessness. This is because higher temperature can cause proteins to denature, similar to how an egg changes when boiled. When proteins denature, they harden and lose their ability to conduct impulses, which can lead to a brain damage and ultimately problems. By keeping the brain cooler through specific breathing and self-massage techniques derived from Tantra and ancient yoga practices, which improve sleep and metabolism, we can potentially extend human lifespan. In fact, ancient cultures in Central Asia revered the cold brain concept, as seen in their statues of heads with toads on top, symbolizing longevity and wisdom, and associated with the Chinese philosopher Ji Xuan. I feel full of energy, and my memory and reasoning have become sharper. My optimism has soared because of when you feel like you control your aging, you feel like you have eternity before you. I'm confident that I'll live to 130. Well, of course, it all depends on God and fate and everything, but I'm excited to share my journey with you. We just finished a widely successful presentation, and every single participant was captivated. So don't just defy aging, rewind it and reclaim your vitality. Join us. The next course is happening in Northbrook, Illinois on August 16th. And if you want powerful sneak peek, we have another presentation coming up on August 9th. This is your chance to learn these incredible secrets. Don't miss out on feeling and looking like your absolutely best, most youthful self, and see you there.